Hi friends, I am back with another video from Job Minds, and here is the list of latest jobs in July. Government jobs, diploma and ITA jobs, work from home jobs, BPOs, data entry, IT, mechanical, accounts, teaching, sales and marketing and abroad jobs. All these jobs are included in this video. Please watch till the end. In India, Job Minds is the only channel with the various business openings from all the sectors. So please subscribe to our channel and keep following all our videos. It's a great job opportunity for all graduates, including 10th, 12th, ITA, and diploma candidates. Let us see the openings. First is government job. And this opening is for a graduate trainee apprentice at Indian Rare Earth Limited. All freshers in diploma and ITA candidates can apply. There are about 20 job openings for trade apprentices and graduate apprentices for fitter, electrician, mechanic, welder, even technician. As I said, all ITI, Diploma, BE Mechanical and Electrical freshers can apply for this job. Last date for submission of application is 5th August 2020. The online application form is given in our channel description. Please check. The next we are going to see work from home jobs. This opening is for a virtual assistant. It's a work from home job. Any graduates can apply. Experience required is 0 to 1 year and it's from Bizakuman. So to apply for this job, you should type www.visakuman.com/careers@asp. The salary is up to 20,000 and job posted on 8th July. This opening is for customer service executive. It's a work from home job. Any graduates can apply. Experience required is 0 to 2 years. It's from Zynovic Software Solutions Private Limited. Please contact this number and salary is up to 15,000 and job posted on 11th July. The next job is data entry. It's a work from home job. Any graduates can apply. Experience required is 0 to 3 years and it's from Rishika Softtech Solutions, the consultant. So you can contact this number and the salary is up to 10,000 and job posted on 7th July. And this opening is for a non-IT recruiter. It's a work from home job. MBA graduates or even any graduates also can apply who's having a minimum 3 years in non-IT recruitment and it's from Reliance Soft System Solutions. You should send your CVs to jobs@reliancesoft.com. The salary is up to 4 LPA and job posted on 7th July. Next we are gonna see all latest IT and software jobs. This is for a software developer. Any graduate specialized in computer science and IT can apply. And the experience required is 3 to 5 years. And it's from Alarm Info Solutions Chennai. You should send your CV to hr@alarmsoft.com. The salary is up to 7 LPA and job posted on 9th July. This is for a Java developer. Any graduate specialized in CS and IT can apply. The minimum experience required is 3 years and it's from UDIS for Ahmedabad and Gujarat. Send your CVs to hr@udis.com. You can refer this job at www.udis.com and the salary is as per the standards and job posted on 8th July. The next opening is for a senior software engineer. Any graduate specialized in CS and IT can apply. The experience required is minimum 3 years up to 5 years. It's from Evaluate Systems Private Limited, Bangalore. You should send your CVs to careers@evaluate.in and job posted on 8 July. And it's a one more job from UDIS for a .NET developer. All CS and IT graduates can apply and the minimum experience required is 3 years. The salary is as per the standards and job posted on 8 July. Next we are going to see mechanical jobs. This opening is from Royal Enfield for trainee engineers. All diploma, BE, BTech mechanical freshers can apply. Please contact this given number and job posted on 11th July. And this opening is for a mechanical design engineer and the opening is from Honeywell. For all the diploma, BE, BTech and mechanical candidates can apply. The minimum experience required is 5 years. The application link is given in our channel description and job posted on 10th July. The next opening is for HVAC project engineer. Experience required is 1 to 3 years. All BE and BTech mechanical candidates can apply. And this is from Utility Projects and Services Private Limited. Send your CVs to riaz.mansoor@upspl.com The salary is up to 2.5 LPA and the job posted on 12th July. This is for a quality inspector. Minimum experience required is 4 years in quality. All BE and BTech mechanical graduates can apply, and this is from Trigo Group. The application link is given in our channel description and job posted on 10th July. Let us see teaching and faculty jobs. This opening is for a science teacher with minimum 2 years experience required, and it's a work from home job. All B.Ed with a PG graduates can apply. This is from the SunSmart Foundation International School, Chennai. Send your CVs to contact@ssfisschool.org. The job is posted on 12th July. This opening is for an English teacher. Experience required is 1 to 3 years. So work from home job. All B.Ed graduates with a PG can apply. It is from Abhyas Educational Technologies Private Limited from Hyderabad. Contact this number and job posted on 11th July. Let us see accounts and finance jobs. This opening is for accounts executive. Minimum 2 years experience is required. All BCom and MCom graduates can apply. This is from Calls Information Systems Private Limited. You can send your CVs to careers@callsinfo.com and job posted on 12th July. And one more job from Royal Enfield, Chennai for a senior accounts executive. Minimum 3 years experience is required. All BCom and MCom graduates can apply. Please contact this given number. The salary is up to 20,000 per month. The job posted on 12th July. Next we are going to see sales jobs. This opening is for a business development executive. Experience required is 0 to 2 years. All MBA graduates can apply. This opening is from IM Solutions Bangalore. Send your CVs to info@imsolutions.mobi. Job posted on 12th July. Let us see abroad and Gulf jobs. This opening is for a maintenance technician and electrician. All ITI, Diploma or RAC, mechanical and electrical graduates can apply. Experience required is minimum 2 years. This opening is from Almana Network Solutions and Security Services. Send your CVs to admin@almananetworks.com and job posted on 9th July. The salary is as per their standards. Next opening is for quality engineer and site supervisor. All BE, BTech mechanical graduates can apply. Minimum experience required is 2 years. This opening is from Ironmount Engineering and Contracting. Send your CVs to ecmi741@gmail.com. The job posted on 9th July. And friends, these are all the upcoming job postings in our channel Job Minds for all freshers and experienced. We are covering various sectors, so keep following our videos and subscribe as well. All the best and thank you.